It's early in the morning, and not so early also. It's 9:30 in the morning, but if you're thinking what's in my cup, it's actually chai. So hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I very lazily dragged myself out of the bed and I thought I'm gonna shoot a video. So therefore I'm not wearing any makeup, and if you can see closely, maybe my eyes are sleepy. Since I woke up an hour back, I think even my voice is a little different, so excuse me for that, guys. I'm really loving the fact that you guys are enjoying my videos every single day. You know, I'm so motivated every day ki nahi, I have to shoot a video. So I've changed my schedule. I've changed my schedule. I shoot in the morning and then I try and edit during the day only, so that I have enough time for me to study for my exams, and I will come up with a video on my exam very soon. So today's video would actually be divided into 3 sections. First would be skincare, number 2 would be some kitchenware, serveware from Myntra, and number 3 would be some Pipa Bella jewelry. I love Pipa Bella jewelry, so therefore I just wanted to show you guys things that I've picked up. I think 3, 4, 5 things that I have to show you guys. So let's quickly get started. I'm going to leave the link and timestamp of everything in the description box below, so just in case if you like maybe just one section, like for example skincare, just click on the timestamp. There would be a highlighted timestamp. If you click on that, you'll be directly taken to that section of the video. So that is something I want to do for my viewers. I don't want you guys to waste time if in case you're not interested in one part of the video or the other or whatever. So talking about skincare first, I will be talking about this amazing product by Mamaearth. This is their Bye Bye Blemishes cream. It has vitamin C and it has mulberry extract. So vitamin C and mulberry extract actually helps to kind of lighten the dark spots if you have on your face. I have few spots on my face because of acne. I get regular acne, like because of my periods, hormonal changes, and I just get acne like nobody's business. So because of that, I do have some blemishes on my face, and since the time I've been using it, this is my second purchase. If you've been watching my previous videos, you know that I have used it and raved about it. So today I want to talk about this as well, you know, a kind of an update. So right now I'm not wearing any makeup except for lipstick, so you can see I do not have any maybe active scars. I had a pimple here, so maybe I have a scar over here, but other than that, you know, this is really good in fading it away. Pehle I had inhibition about using any product with vitamin C because vitamin C or anything citrus does not suit me, but this one is kind of a toned down thing. I'm not really sure, but this does suit me. This is for 449 and this is 30 gram of their product, and you might be thinking 30 gram ka 449, but actually you do not need a lot of it. I just take, I think, 1 or 2 pumps, not even 2 pumps actually, 1.5 pumps maybe, you know, dot it all over my face and apply it. And to be very honest, I apply it every time I wash my face. So let me just quickly talk about Mamaearth. So Mamaearth is actually an Indian brand, guys. They use all natural ingredients in their products. All organic products are used to manufacture all their skincare range or their hair care range or whatever they are producing. So that is something I really appreciate. They are PETA certified as well, cruelty free. They do not have any harmful chemicals in their products, such as they do not have SLS, paraben, they do not have silicone in the products, and they have bioactives in the products. Like this one also I think has, yes, it has bioactives in the products. Their products are free of mineral oil as well, so that way it is very safe to use. Anybody who is over 15 or 16 years of age can start using Mamaearth products. I think Mamaearth also makes baby products as well, so you can definitely trust this brand. It's a really good brand to go for, and it is not that very expensive also. They have a huge variety of skincare and hair care range that will never harm you because everything is chemical free and everything is made out of natural ingredients and good quality ingredients. Coming to this particular product, I simply love this product so much. If you ask me, you know, I just love the packaging. It is so convenient. It is such a tiny packaging, but it is a very convenient, and it looks kind of really luxe, you know. But there's a clear dhakkan on top of it. You open this dhakkan and they have given a pump, which is the best part of this. I've just washed my face, so I'll just take out maybe, you know, itna bahut hota hai, like I'll show you, itna product bahut hai, and you just dot it on your face like so, everywhere including your neck, and it's kind of very moisturizing as well, I feel like. So sometimes I don't even like to apply moisturizer, and I just apply it, you know, in a circular motion. Do not apply under your eyes, like under eye area. just massage it on your face like so till the product is absorbed. You can just do some of these kind of motions to lift your skin up, and that's about it. I just do it like this, leave it for a few minutes, and then go ahead and apply my makeup if I have to. So that is very simple, and it is a really good product. They have said ki use it twice a day, but I use it every time I wash my face, and summers mein to I wash my face maybe 3 times, afternoon maybe ek bar, so I apply then as well. Because it is moisturizing also, I do not feel the need of applying moisturizer right now because I have oily skin. But if you feel the need, you can definitely top it up with your favorite moisturizer if you have really dry skin, because this is a non-greasy formula. It is not sticky or chip-chippa, but it is kind of hydrating, not moisturizing, I'm sorry. I think it is hydrating, so I don't feel the need of having any other product. So I would definitely recommend this product, and I've been using it, and because it is vitamin C, not only does it fade the spots, it also gives a little bit of a radiance on the face. So would definitely recommend this product. So this particular product is available everywhere: Myntra, Nykaa, Flipkart, on their own website, which is mamaearth.in. So you can definitely go ahead and check any of the websites out. But I do have a coupon code for you, which Mamaearth has kindly given me. 20% off you'll get if you purchase from mamaearth.in, but purchase from wherever you get the best deal. I would highly recommend this product. Go ahead and check this product out. Use it for 1 month and let me know what you think about it. So guys, that was everything about the skincare part. Now I'm going to show you everything that I got from Myntra, from their kitchen section. They have some really nice quirky things for the kitchen. I'm not a very matchy kind of a person when it comes to my cutlery and crockery. All my plates are different, and all my glasses are different, and all my katoris are different. So suppose agar 4 log ghar mein ikattha aa gaye na, to everybody will be having their chai in different cups, because I don't know. Anyway, okay, so I don't want to generalize, but I think all girls love shopping for kitchen things. I think even maybe boys. I'm one person, I love a nice kitchen, and I love really nice cutlery and crockery. So, and I get bored of a single plate, so that is also one reason. So I got a couple of things from Myntra. I think they have really fun designs, very unique designs actually, and I do not mind mix and match crockery, so I buy all random things. The first thing is a set of mug. I love mugs, so I got these 2 white mugs. This is by this brand called as JPCL. This one was for I think 590 rupees, and it has very light grey print on it. I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell, but if I will give you a close-up of this one, as you can see. Okay, now you can see. So these are the mugs, and they have this kind of a design, like grey color ka design. दोनों एक साथ ही आए थे सेट में, and this I paid like 590 for these. These are actually milk cups, but I would like to have my chai or coffee in this one, and I think I really like it. It is actually bone china, and it is microwave safe and all of that. So yeah, I really liked it. It's really big. Even this one I got from Myntra, and this is by this brand called as Varesha, I think. It is a soup cup. It came with a spoon as well, but I like to have my chai in this one. So I like bigger cups maybe. Next I got these 2 really cute bowls. These are small little nut bowls. These are egg-shell nut bowls. This is by a brand called as Elementary. This in particular is actually out of stock right now. I checked it yesterday because I wanted to buy more of these, because I really like the size and the design and the quality of these bowls. They do not really have a wide variety of cutlery, but whatever they have are really unique. This is ceramic, and I think they mainly excel in ceramic stuff. And this is also microwave safe, so I do not think that should be a problem there. I think this is handmade because the design is not exactly same. There are like differences in the design, even though the capacity is exactly the same. I love this. This is expensive, guys. One bowl is priced at rupees 290. Matlab, बहुत महंगा है ये. If you can and if you want, you can definitely go for this one. It is good for chutneys also. It is good for nuts also. It is good for everything. If you want to have a small portion of something, it is really nice, and I would definitely recommend this. Elementary के products बहुत अच्छे हैं, but they're very expensive. Next I got sets of these black and white platters. What are these? I don't know, but you can keep use it to store your fruit. You can eat your noodles out of it. You can eat your salad out of it. I eat my dal chawal out of it. It's not very deep. It is a shallow something dish, and it has this kind of a textured thing in the front. I think जब ये clay या ceramic बना होगा, so they would have just poked their fingers, you know. So it has those kind of dent marks all over, like front and back. But I simply loved it. It is a little heavy, but I think if you're serving anything, these two together are really cool. The white one is also like that. I don't know why, but white comes really saturated on the camera, so you cannot see the textured part of it. But white is exactly similar as the black one. Wow, how fancy I sound. Assortment of fruits. Nothing of that sort ever happens. I just like to put my dal and chawal on top of it and eat it. But sometimes, yes, if I'm having a fruit or something, I like to eat it out of a bigger plate. I eat a lot, so yeah, these are two things that I got. Next, my favorite would be this. I really like this, guys. This is, I think, by Varisha again. I have to check. I'll give everything on the screen for you so you know which brand it is and how much I paid for this. It is a very abstract shape or a drop shape, whatever shape you want to call it. It has small dots on it and it looks very organic. It is ceramic again, but I have used it in the microwave as well, and this is so good. I love to use this plate to actually serve whatever, you know. You can also serve your dessert in this one, and you can also use it as a tray to serve. So these two bowls from Elementary and this particular tray will be perfect to serve some dry fruits, you know. So this is amazing. I really like some mix and match crockery, so here I'm showing it to you guys. I'm not sure if you'll like it, but if you do, then let me know. And if you know anything which is really fun and quirky, like Chumbak ke bahut अच्छे products hain, put it in the comment section below. Let me know, okay? So I'll definitely check those out because I'm so much up for anything kitchen. Like, okay, so that was everything that I got from Myntra's kitchen section. Of course, I did get bed sheets and everything as well. That I did show you guys some bed sheets in my previous Myntra video. There are 2 more bed sheets that are coming. Of course, I'll let you know once they arrive, so I'm going to show that to you as well. I show you guys everything because you are my family and I love showing it to you guys. You need not really buy everything that I show you. I just like to share it with you guys because I want you to know whatever new is available, plus the discounts that are happening, and plus it is my job, so you can watch it for fun and knowledge and you know, just to have an idea, so that whenever you want to buy it, you have an idea about the product, you have a slight bit of a review, and you know that how much you should pay. So that's the reason I bring these videos for. You would necessarily not buy anything from this video. That's totally fine, you know. Come here, join me, be here with me for a couple of minutes. That is all that I want because I love you all so much. Now moving on to this amazing jewelry by Pipa Bella. Ulta hai, yes, Pipa Bella. Pipa Bella makes some good quality jewelry, like थोड़ी expensive होती है उनकी jewelry, but I think they do really good stuff with their jewelry and they last a super long time. Everything comes packed in these kind of butter papers, I think, and like the packaging is really good. That is my point. And the box is super nice. Like, I don't throw away their boxes. I love their boxes, and it is great to actually gift somebody. I like to use this as a trinket tray maybe. Moving on to the first jewelry that I have to show you. I'll give you the close-up of everything. So this is the first jewelry that I got, and everything has a specific name, so I do not remember the names of these, but it's a really nice, you know, earring. I'll give you the close-up of it if you can see. So this is the earring part, and it's really it is really beautiful. It is super sparkly. It has all these stones here. So this is the first earring that I had to show you guys, and it's very pretty. Moving on to another piece of jewelry that I have to show you is this one. Now these are really tiny what do you say, earrings, and they look like this. They're like golden, and it has some diamondy things inside of it. So very basic, but these are great for, you know, formal wear, or if you go to office where you cannot wear any big danglers or anything. For that purpose, it's very nice. Next, I have this piece of necklace, which is like super loud. So it is a statement necklace, and this is what it looks like. It is very shiny, beautiful muted gold, and it is so beautiful. Let me quickly take this off and show you guys. So if you're wearing this, then you'll be wearing just this and not anything else, because this one is an epic in itself. So it will just jazz up any outfit that you're wearing. It looks super nice, and it looks super nice, and it's really good quality. I have one hairpin to show you guys, and you guys know that anything hair accessory is so much in. So this is like very shiny, and it's a long hairpin. You can literally use it to make a lot of hairstyles. Like, I can just throw my hair back, just take my hair like this, and can use it to make a hairstyle like this. I'll show you. This is what it looks like from the back. I hope it is looking okay. Yeah. So this is the next jewelry. I simply like it a lot and the quality is really nice. And the gold part is not very gold. So it's not like very chumkila gold. It's a muted, nice, you know, acha sa gold. This necklace is really pretty with all these bigger and smaller circles. So there are different sizes of circles and they are like arranged on a chain. It's so beautiful. So guys, that was everything in this video of mine. I'm going to leave the link of everything in the description box below, just in case if you want to try those out, if you want to check those out for the price, for the quality and all of that. And let me know which is your favorite thing in this particular haul of mine in the comment section below. And yes, if you liked the video, I would really appreciate if you can give it a quick like. Also be sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I have a lot of hauls coming up. Be sure to be a part of this beautiful family by subscribing to my channel. You can hit the subscribe button. Uske bagal mein there's a bell notification. You can hit that. So that whenever I upload a new video, you're notified about the same. So thank you so much once again for watching. We'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Keep happy, keep healthy, and keep smiling always. I love you all so much. Bye guys. Mwah.